just found Rachel Zoe's book, Living in Style. And it's actually signed by her. That's kind of fun. We've talked about my closet, but we haven't talked about the rest of my home renovation. And so I've been working, exploring, designing things here in this whole new area of my house. And so today we are off to Thrift to start to zhuzh and add to the room. So we're focusing all about home, which is absolutely perfect because today's sponsor is Homeaglow. Homeaglow is a 5-star house cleaning service with super affordable prices. I've been working with them almost a year now, and it's one of my favorite things because I really hate cleaning my house, and so to have an incredible house cleaning service is essential. What I love about Homeaglow is that they have online booking capability. So I love this because if you have a special occasion coming up, you have last minute guests coming over, or you just want to book a reoccurring cleaning, you can easily do that with their online booking capability. And I also love that you're supporting your local cleaners in your own community, and they get 100% of the income goes to them. It's so easy. All you need to do is go to the Homeaglow's website. You're going to pick the date and the time that you're looking for a cleaner, also the duration of the cleaning that you're looking for, either something, you know, quick and easy or a little bit more involved and a longer cleaning service. And then you're going to see the cleaners who are available to you in your area for that date and that time. You can then go through and look at all of their profiles, look at their reviews, which is really nice to kind of know what other people's experiences have been, and then select a cleaner. You will get an email letting you know that that cleaner has been notified that you are interested, and then they'll respond back and let you know that they're available. It's so easy. I do this sometimes just 2 days out. I was out of town, I was coming back in, I knew I wanted my house clean because I have guests coming in, and so easily, just in the airport, I went on Homeaglow's website and booked a cleaner ASAP. And just yesterday, my cleaners showed up. They did such an incredible job, especially with my new renovation. I have house guests coming this weekend, and I wanted to really show off the new space. So they just did an amazing job cleaning my entire home, and especially this whole new area, which has collected a lot of dust with a lot of the renovation. So I was so happy with my cleaners. So take home cleaning off of your plate by using Homeaglow. All you need to do is go to homeaglow.com/BJones, or you can scan this QR code right here and you'll get your first cleaning for only $9. All right, so now to get into the home decor, home design, and do the thrifting for that. So I've been looking and hunting for the last few months. We really ended up with a whole new master because we eliminated the closet that was in the master. We added a window. We did a bunch of new things. So the room itself completely changed. I got a bunch of natural light I'm so excited about. And even the way that we laid out our furniture in the room changed. So that makes me so happy because that meant that I had a whole bunch of new areas to decorate. One of the other things we did was we added shelving to the bedroom. I wanted to create this kind of home office feel in my bedroom. And so that's going to be a big goal for me today, is to look for items to add to the shelving. And then I am looking for little pieces of furniture. I still have more to do. I have a rug to find, actually a few rugs. I want to find one for the closet. I want to find one for the bedroom, and then more art, all the things. It's a long process whenever you're working on home design. But today's focus is really going to be on the shelving. And here's a few images of just inspiration. I love this look of collected books, but then maybe kind of tchotchkes from travels and different places, things that have nostalgia, some things that are just found in vintage stores and thrift stores and all of it. So today the goal is really just to find some of those fun little pieces to add, and I'm going to keep building on this. So this is just a start, and then we're going to keep doing this. And then I will be sharing a whole updated tour of everything in my home. I've also changed some of the other areas of my living room and things like that. So it's been so much fun. I love this process. It definitely takes a while, but to me, it's like creating one amazing outfit, just piece by piece by piece or something. I don't know. I love it. It's dressing up my home. So you're going to go to the thrift store with me. We're going to come back here, and then I'm going to show you a few of the items and where they ended up. heading into the Anaheim thrift store. I always love coming here for home goods, especially what I'm looking for today, those tchotchkes and different decor options for all my shelves. So let's head in. This is always so much fun because, I mean, I love to thrift clothes, but I love to thrift home decor as well. So let's go in. To start off, I am looking for books because I have bookshelves and those aren't always easy to find exactly what I'm looking for. I did just find this, which came out in 2000. It's Designers in Residence, and it is just different interior designers and their work, which I think is fun to have reference books from different decades and seeing different designers and, you know, what was happening in interiors in 2000, which feels very kind of familiar to me. But I also love just some of the pages that have the inspiration boards and things like that. So this is a great one for my bookshelf. I want most of the books to be about fashion, interiors, you know, design, because it is kind of my working space, my creative space. And I'm so excited. I just found Rachel Zoe's book, Living in Style. And it's actually signed by her. That's kind of fun. This came out in 2014. So I always love looking at reference images, things, and she refers to a lot of icons in here, which, you know, I love that. So it's really going to be fun to go through this and just have this catalog. I remember when I actually spoke at when I was hosting at Glam Hive, one of the speakers on the panel, I'm forgetting her name right now, but she's a makeup artist. I'll put her name right here. But she was talking about how not to just as, you know, and as an artist, makeup artist, interior designer, fashion designer, stylist, all of that. She said not to just look at what currently is happening, but go back to archives, go back to some of these original inspirations and use those as a way to soak up inspiration, not just what's happening in the moment on TikTok or Instagram. And I just loved that because I feel like to have more of a breadth of knowledge is really fun. So to kind of have some of these books that might be somewhat outdated, but to me they're always inspiring because it's taking knowledge from all the different times and people who know a lot. So anyways, I'm excited. I've been searching around all the little knickknacks, and I think my tips with looking for this kind of stuff is I always look on the bottom to see if there's a sticker from a store that I don't want it to be from, or if there's hand carvings, where it was made. Those make a big difference in, I think, the authentication and in finding really great pieces versus just, you know, more of the cheaply made stuff. Of course, here and there, I'll mix that kind of stuff in, but usually I love to look for more vintage pieces. So I found a amount. I'm gonna go through all of this and then decide which ones to bring home. But I loved this green glass piece. I love the bubbles inside of it and the interesting curvature, and I also like to try to mix a bunch of different styles together. So I don't want everything mid-century, I don't want everything antique-y looking, I don't want everything French country. I want to like mix it all. And then I found this is from 1979, a little Estee Lauder. I don't even know what's inside. Let's see. Oh yeah, just like a little dish, which is so cute. And it's got the Estee Lauder symbol on it, and it says 1979, which I love that. Then this is a great example of what I'm looking for when it comes to pottery. This is a gorgeous piece. It's so heavy. It has the initials of the person who made it, and it's blue and black, which I really like. I like to have a mix of things that feel more colorfully art driven versus just like antique looking. So I love this. It's so heavy though, so I kind of am thinking like what surface to put it on because I'm scared if it's too heavy for a top shelf. Now here's an example. This might just be from Target. I don't really know. There's no, you know, anything on the bottom, but I do need just little stuff like this to put pens and small items. So I liked just the simplicity of that, but then with the interesting scalloped details. I'm not sure about this piece yet. I think the thing that's selling me is that lion face there. I do need some bigger pieces that I want to set up on top of the shelves. But it also looks like something that might be in a kitchen, like an English countryside kitchen. So I don't know. I'm still deciding on if this would be a good match for the room. Also thought this was really great. I loved the details of this kind of fan style glassware. And then this is probably a home goods piece, so I'm not sure, but I like this maybe to prop some books up. And it does have like a great gold, you know, sheen to it. So anyways, those are the pieces I've found so far. I'm gonna weed it down. Okay, I just left the thrift store. I got all those little tchotchkes for the house. I'm gonna head to another store, which I've taken you to before, called Restore. And mostly it has larger furniture and art. So I'm looking for a stool for the bathroom, you know, to kind of put things on off to the side or some kind of surface like that. And then I'm always looking for art. So, and I'm always open to inspiration. So let's head to that location. All right, I'm in the next store. As you can see, it's very full of all kinds of home goods, furniture, what are those called? Dishwashers, laundry, whatever. Anyways, so I'm gonna start looking around and see what I find. I just spotted this really amazing table. It's a marble top. It's got really great details all throughout. It's wrought iron. I love the sides of it. And this might be perfect for what I'm looking for my bathroom. Something else I was looking for were baskets that I could put underneath the shelf, and this is a great basket. I love the handles, and I can easily fit, you know, I was gonna put bags and things that I use for work just stuffed in there. They also always have a lot of mirrors and art here, so I'm gonna try to go through some of these. I might need a mirror, and then also I'm gonna look for art. Today, no art that I loved. You know, some great pieces, but not what I was looking for. So we're just gonna keep meandering around, see if there's anything else here. I always feel like with home stuff, you do like a first look and then you go back and do a second look, because I always feel like there's more that you didn't see the first time. I just learned my biggest lesson. I walked away from that table, the little one, went back to go get it. Somebody else is getting it. So I won't be getting that today. Coming out of the store, I'm just bringing home the big basket. So if it doesn't work exactly where I'm imagining it, I definitely can use it somewhere else in my house. But I'm so upset that I didn't get that table. But I was talking to the lady in the store, and she said, you know what, it wasn't meant to be. You have another one out there for you. And that's exactly how it goes. So I'm off to another place. I'm at my next stop, which is another Habitat for Humanity Restore. This one I go to often because it's close to my house. So I'm gonna check out this one, see if maybe I can find another little stool table situation that's a better fit than the one that I didn't end up getting. Yeah, so let's go inside. So no little tables, but I'm gonna look through the art here and mirrors. All right, I'm calling it. Unfortunately, nothing at this one, which I will say with home decor and home items, especially furniture, you've got to go all the time to find the really great gems. I feel like I just do like a circuit when I'm in hunting mode for my home stuff. So unfortunately, this one didn't pan out today, but I am excited about some of the stuff that I am bringing home. So we're gonna head back to my house and see where some of the items end up. So you just saw that we went to the thrift store. We got a few little goodies, not a ton today, but I feel like it started the process of adding more to the shelves, but I have a lot more to get. So I'll just show you quickly where the items ended up. So as you can see, I have books ending up here on the shelves. I loved adding this green piece that we found on top of a stack of books, and I just love that little pop of color right there. I want more over here. I want bigger stacks, but I loved this interesting curvature of the glass popping right there. I also added some of my new books that I found. And then here is that scalloped shell-like glassware. I liked it here on the shelves with the brown. I have white and then brown. I felt like this showcased the glassware. I definitely need more here. And then because this is functioning as an office, I got a few little pottery pieces to put things in, as well as this cute little Estee Lauder case here. Doing some business. I'm gonna put my cards that go in my camera here from my YouTube videos in here just to always know where they are. So I liked having that little piece right there. So my vision for this space is to have pieces all the way around. This is just going to be the first piece, that amazing piece of pottery that I found. I love the blue and the black. And then as you can see, I have had bags here. I like having this basket. I'm not sure it really works in this space or if it's too big. I think it's going to depend on how all of this ends up. But for now, that's kind of my catch-all for bags. So you guys got a little teaser of what's been happening here in my bedroom, not just my closet today. I'm excited to keep styling it, keep thrifting items, and then once things are really, you know, looking the way that I want them to, like those, you know, inspiration images that I showed you, I will do a updated home tour. So it's so much fun. I love this process, and it's just like a constant little treasure hunt, finding things here and there when I'm traveling, when I just head to my local thrift store and I'm looking for clothes, but then I see a great piece of art, that kind of stuff. And those are the places that I went to in today's video. Those are some of my go-to thrift stores when it comes to home furniture and home decor. So both Habitat for Humanity Restore, and I think they have stores all around the country. So look those up. Those are great places to find furniture. And then also that Anaheim thrift store is a great place for, I love to find just like the little pieces there. It seems like they have a great collection, and I always walk away with home decor from that store. So that is it for today. I had so much fun taking you along on a little thrifting adventure looking for home goods. And if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every single Thursday. And finally, always play dress up. Bye!